Yo, what's up, y'all? C-Set Tech, and welcome to the world's most ghetto gaming setup ever. So I have my keyboard and mouse, obviously. So I have that, but I also have my old Dell laptop here that's breaking apart. That's actually used for the phone stand. So yeah, that's life. But today I want to see if you can play Fortnite for Android with a keyboard and a mouse, because I heard you can't do that. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into the phone and actually show you guys that it does work. So let me go and move the mouse here. You can see there it actually works. And if we actually go to the notifications, you can see here it says physical keyboard settings. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google real quick and type something, right? So there we go, we got Google loaded up, and if I go ahead and type something, it works. But I unplugged that first. I'm gonna go ahead and let Fortnite load up first, and then we can plug it in. And if that doesn't work, we'll plug it in before we get into the game. Alright guys, so the game loaded up here. So now all we gotta do is just plug it into the phone and we can see if this thing works. Okay, so the game loaded up, I have it plugged into the phone, and I plugged the mouse into the keyboard, so that's how my setup's going. Because as you can see right there, in the Samsung adapter that come with the phone, they don't have two USBs, so that's the thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on this, and if I go ahead and move the mouse around, it does work. So can I click on something? No, I can't. Okay. Like, let me zoom out real quick. You can see I'm clicking on it and it's not doing anything. Can we use the keyboard at all? No, we can't. And I showed you earlier that it does actually work with the phone, so there's not a problem with that, but I can't click on anything. So they must have did some kind of workaround or something. But let me go ahead and try something. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and tap play, and then if we can get into the game and use the keyboard, that would be cool. Alright guys, so we're here. So can I move at all? No, I can't. Wow. So they really must have did some work onto this. Oh, I didn't want to do that. But they really must have did some work into this. Like, I can move on the screen here, but I can't move with the keyboard or anything, and it's plugged in, obviously. I can't use the mouse to move around or anything. The mouse just hovers over the screen. So that's interesting. I can't click anything to make it work. Like, it just will not work for me. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and try is I'm gonna go ahead and pull up Fortnite after I plug this in, and then we can try that. Alright, so we're back in the game. So let me go ahead and try it now. So will it work? Still won't work. Wow. I'm tapping on play here. Let's see if that does something. Okay guys, so I'm on a battle bus right now, and still I'm not getting anything at all. The WASD keys don't work, the arrow keys don't work, like none of the function keys work. Not even the scroll wheel works. I can do it on the phone, but I can't do it on the keyboard or the mouse, which I don't know why, but that's interesting. Now you want to know why I think this is interesting? Because as far as I know, you can play with PC users and Xbox users and stuff like that on mobile, so why can't you play with a keyboard and a mouse? I'm pulling up Google now here. I don't know how I did that, but maybe it's a Windows key I did, Control key, it don't really matter. Anyways, yeah, so Fortnite for Android doesn't work with a keyboard and a mouse. Now it is possible that if I use Samsung Flow, which lets you mirror your phone screen onto your computer, that you can use a keyboard then, but I don't know. I'll probably pin a comment below if I end up doing that. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. That was pretty interesting, but thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.